Your life changes when you make a new, congruent, and committed decision. Whether it is a good decision or a bad decision, it will either change your life forever or it will give you a lesson forever. Hi everyone, I'm Swati Arora. I'm an NLP practitioner and a certified life and business coach. And today I'm talking about an important life skill, which is decision making skill. It is in the moments of decision that our destiny is shaped. It is what we decide and when we decide that actually cultivates our future. It does not really depend upon the world outside or what people think about us or what life throws at us. It depends on what we decide and how we decide to make a change. In fact, not doing anything is also a decision. For example, this pandemic situation out there. Getting panicky or fearful or anxious or even depressed is also a decision, which means you're letting yourself sink into the situation. On the other side, you could also decide to step up. You could decide to take control of the situation. You could decide to build up yourself, your immunity, your mental and physical strength, and actually turn the table around. That is what I'm saying, friends. One decision can actually change your destiny forever. Decision making is a skill, and like any other skill, it improves with practice. The more decisions you make, the better you become at decision making. But there are certain fundamental rules which can actually help you improvise on your decision making capability, and that's what I'm discussing in this video today. So go ahead and watch the entire video. And before that, click on the subscribe button if you already haven't done that. Decision means action. The moment you make a new decision, you kickstart a new cause, effect, direction, and destination for your life. You literally start making the change the very same moment. So remember, friends, when you decide something, start right away. If you decide to go to the gym and exercise, start the very same day. If you decide to quit smoking, start then and there. If you decide to learn a new skill, start the very moment. Decisions which are taken for a later date and time have a very less probability of achievement. Hence, decision means taking the action right then and there. Remember, any true decision means action right away. The next one is delete all possibilities. Once you've decided what you truly want, delete all alternatives and possibilities from existence. That will actually lead you to the commitment and discipline that is required to fulfill your decision. For example, if you want to quit alcohol in such a way that there shall be no alternatives, not even going back and having a single sip ever again. Believe me or not, friends, if an alcoholic comes back and has even one sip after many years, he will have to start all over again. So when I say delete all possibilities, it simply means be committed to your decision, that come what may, you will achieve it. The next one is make more decisions. Muscles get stronger with use, and so is the case with decision making skills. So get yourself tuned to making more decisions, however small they are. In fact, start with one decision which you've been procrastinating for a long time. You will automatically see the kind of energy and excitement that you will create in your life by making more and more decisions on a daily basis. The next one is learn from your decisions. No one is perfect and no one has ever made all the right decisions in life. So you will make mistakes, you will falter, but that's okay. Just remember to analyze the situation and ask yourself, what did this teach me? Remember, the best lessons of life come from the worst decisions. So make the best use of it and make more and more decisions. And the last one is be flexible in your approach. While being committed and disciplined is of prime importance, but at the same time, being watchful, analyzing the situation, what's working for you, what's not working for you, and changing the course of action if required is also essential. Being rigid because it's your own decision can sometimes be fatal and dangerous. So cultivate the art of flexibility. Try and learn from the situation, analyze the situation, change the course of direction, but not your destination. So that's it from my side, friends. I hope this video has been beneficial for you. And like I said in the beginning, decision making is a skill. Just like we hone up our skills by driving continuously by practicing, similarly by practicing decision making skills, you can be better decision makers in your life as well. So keep practicing. I will come back next time with some more motivational and informational videos. Till such time, take care, stay safe. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.